light the sky.
Hi everybody. For my UK followers, you do know, don't you, that if you go into a large Tesco that has an in-store bakery, they will give you fresh yeast. So I was there yesterday, it picked up, so I'm going to make some Chelsea buns. Let me show you. Although I'm using fresh yeast here, the recipe does give quantities for dried yeast too. And once I've made my dough and it's risen, I can then roll it out. And I like to roll it out on a floured tea towel because it doesn't stick. I'm brushing this dough with melted butter, filling it with the fruit, and then using that tea towel to help me roll it into a sausage, cut them into 9 even-sized pieces, let them prove, and then bake for 25 minutes. I'm brushing over a glaze and a drizzle of water icing, and these buns are so light and fluffy. Just look at this one here.